All right, so now we're on objective number 4. We're going to use a graph to determine intercepts. So to find the intercepts, when you want the x-intercept, you're going to get the point x, 0. So that means we're going to set our y equal to 0, then solve for x. So for your x-intercept, your y is 0. And for your y-intercepts, your x is 0. The y-intercept is where it crosses the y-axis. That's why your x equals 0. And your x-intercepts is where it crosses your x-axis. And that's why your y's equals 0. So let's practice a little bit. We're going to use the graph to determine the x and y intercepts. Each tick mark represents 1 unit. So that means from here to here is 1, here to here is 1, so that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so forth and so on. So let's find our x-intercept. So with our x-intercept, that's where it crosses or touches the x-axis. This is our x-axis. So it touches or crosses here and here. So remember, with our x-axis, our y equals 0. Also, let's just find the coordinate pair for this point, which is -2, 0, and 1, 0. The y-intercept is where it crosses the y-axis, and our x will equal to 0, so our y-intercept is 0, 2. 4b, we're going to find our x-intercepts. So where does it cross the x-axis or touch? Here and here. So those points are -1, 0, 1, 0. And now our y-intercept, where it crosses the y-axis at 0, 1. Let's take a look at 4C and 4D. Yeah, they both look a little different. So let's find our x-intercept. So where does it cross the x-axis? Here, which is -1 and 0. So now we've got to find where it crosses the y-axis, which is this line right here. As you can tell, the graph does not cross nor touch the y-axis. Therefore, there is no y-intercept, so the y-intercept is none. 4D, our x-intercept, where does it cross the x-axis? It does not cross the x-axis. Therefore, my x-intercept is none. But it does cross the y-axis. So my y-intercept is here, which is 0, 2.